Hey, all you good looking people. There are some out there who assume you can know a camera simply from the spec sheet alone. This is very much akin to judging a book by its cover. Your knowledge is surface level at best. Much of the outrage when the Ricoh GR4 was announced came from these kind of people, whinging and moaning that the improvements made weren't a big enough difference over the previous model, having never actually gotten their hands on it to try it out for themselves. Luckily, I have had the pleasure, thanks to CR Kennedy here in Australia, to trial it for 10 days, and I'm here to share my first impressions of it, to balance out the noise from those mentioned earlier. See, the thing these people fail to understand is when you have a camera with cult status, changes don't come drastically as you risk ruining what was obviously already a popular formula. Instead, it's more like a process of refinement. You continue to polish and sharpen that blade, making it subtle changes while not groundbreaking or even noticeable in some cases, results in a much better product and experience for the end user. That is what the GR4 is. The experience you know and love from the GR3, but improved in every way. This is coming from a GR3 HDF owner, so I know the system well, having also owned previous iterations of the GR lineup. Every new model improves upon the last, making it the best experience possible you can have with an APS-C sensor packing pocket camera. Anyway, having shot with it this past 10 days, I can happily say that if you are someone who loves the GR, it is the best one yet. This is purely my humble opinion, but the AF seems far snappier and sticks to subjects far better. I was able to whip up the camera, get a shot as the subject walked by me in a flash. The new 5-axis stabilization allowed me to get handheld shots I would not normally get due to my extra shaky hands, inspiring more confidence in one-hand snapping. Images from the new sensor appear nice and clean, even in low light situations, with plenty of dynamic range to play with. I can't be sure, but the images also seem a lot sharper too, to my eyes having done zero scientific testing on that. I have, however, included a plethora of sample images shot in different settings to let you decide for yourself if there is an improvement. Stay tuned to the end for those samples, there are a few of them. Other improvements come in the form of foregoing a full-size SD for a micro one, allowing for a much larger battery, which promises far more battery life. And this is all in a smaller package to the previous model. Controls have been refined. The toggle on the back has been replaced by another scroll wheel, both of which on the camera feel more responsive than the GR3. They brought back the much-loved plus-minus button from the GR2, giving you a much easier way to control exposure, compensation, as well as changing some other settings. All these incremental changes equate to a monumental improvement in user experience for you GR lovers out there. Hope this first impression has helped you decide whether or not to get one for yourself. Also, if you don't need these improvements, it may be a great time to get your hands on a discounted GR3. Happy snapping, fine folk.